Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E14 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with blocking the number you've got currently saved on your contact list, and then I'll show you another way to block some unidentified callers, for example. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And now in this contact settings we've got the block numbers option, so let's simply tap on it. Your device will ask you whether you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages, so just tap on block. For some reason I'm unable to block the numbers, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure it will work in your case. You will see characteristic icon and the information that the contact has been blocked successfully. You will be able to unblock it the same way, just by tapping on unblock numbers option, which will appear in the same position. So this is how this way works, and the second way is, let's say, through the settings. So we have to go back, and now it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in this general section we have to tap on blocked numbers, and basically this is our blacklist. It is obviously empty, but this is how to enter it. You can tap on add a number, and as you can see you can enter it manually, so you do not have to save it on your contact list, and tap on block. As you can see, it will immediately appear right here, and it of course means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from the specific number. You can also block all unknown numbers, so simply block the calls from unidentified callers just by using the switcher. Right now it is turned on. You can turn it off just by tapping on it again, and you can also unblock the number just by tapping on this X button and tapping on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.